Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for every baking enthusiast out there, the large round cake ring set by Maykito.
If you're serious about baking perfect round cakes, pancakes, or even cutting through your dough effortlessly, this set is definitely for you.
Let's talk about what makes this set so special. It comes with 3 sizes, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches in diameter, all made from premium stainless steel.
The material is not only durable but also rust-proof, ensuring these cutters will last you a long time without losing their shape.
You can use these for more than just cakes.
They're perfect for cookies, pancakes, and even cutting out fondant for beautifully decorated pastries.
The smooth edges make it easy to work with any dough or batter.
What I love about these cutters is their simple yet effective design. They're easy to clean, just requiring a quick hand wash and towel dry.
Plus, they come neatly packed in a strong color box, making them an excellent gift for any baking enthusiast in your life.
The attention to detail in their construction is evident. The joints are seamlessly connected, ensuring there are no rough edges that could snag your dough or batter.
Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, these cutters will meet your expectations. Beyond baking, these cutters are also great for crafting. You can use them with craft clay or even as molds for savory dishes like mini quiches or sandwiches.
The possibilities are endless. To sum it up, the Maykito large round cake ring set is a game changer for anyone who loves to bake.
It's durable, versatile, and incredibly easy to use and maintain. Whether you're making a birthday cake, breakfast pancakes, or delicate pastries, these cutters will ensure your creations are nothing short of perfect.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more insights into the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and more. Until next time, happy baking!